Hello viewer, welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel where we bring you informative videos on various topics. In this video, we'll be discussing yet another cleaner, Yuck, a system optimization and PC cleaning tool. We'll cover its advantages and disadvantages, where to use it, and how to download and set it up. About yet another cleaner. Yet another cleaner, also known as Yuck, is a system optimization and PC cleaning tool developed by Alex do Brasil Participações Limitada. Yuck is designed to clean up junk files, optimize system performance, and remove malware from your PC. Advantages and where to use yet another cleaner. The main advantage of Yuck is its ability to clean up junk files and optimize system performance, which can help speed up your PC. Additionally, Yuck provides real-time protection against malware and viruses, which makes it suitable for those who want an all-in-one PC cleaning and security tool. Pros and cons of yet another cleaner. Like any software, Yuck has its pros and cons. On the one hand, Yuck is easy to use and provides a comprehensive set of features for PC cleaning and optimization. On the other hand, Yuck has been criticized for its aggressive marketing tactics and some users have reported issues with false positives when detecting malware. How to download and set up yet another cleaner. To download Yuck, simply go to the Yuck website and select the appropriate version for your platform. Once you have downloaded the installer, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Why to buy yet another cleaner? Yuck provides a comprehensive set of features for system optimization, PC cleaning, and malware removal. If you want an all-in-one solution to keep your PC running smoothly, then Yuck may be a good option for you. How to buy yet another cleaner? Yuck is available as a subscription-based service. You can choose from various plans depending on your needs, including a free plan that provides basic features, a standard plan that provides additional features, and a premium plan that provides advanced features. Pricing and plans. The pricing for Yuck plans varies depending on the plan you choose. The free plan is, well, free, while the standard plan starts at $19.99 per year, and the premium plan starts at $39.99 per year. Download website link for yet another cleaner. We have included the download link for yet another cleaner in the description below for your convenience. Thank you for watching our video on yet another cleaner. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful and share it with others who may benefit from it. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.